Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Compass headlight. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and your new headlight bulb. Safety is key, so make sure your engine is cool and the ignition is off before you begin. This simple process can save you time and money, getting you back on the road with clear visibility in about 20 to 30 minutes. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your hood and finding the two 10mm bolts at the top of the grille. Unscrew those, then carefully pop out the two plastic clips with your flathead screwdriver. With those removed, gently pull the grille straight forward to release it. Next, you'll see two 7mm bolts holding the headlight bezel. Remove those to free the bezel. With the bezel off, you'll now see the headlight assembly itself. There are three 8mm bolts holding it in place. Remove these, and then you can carefully pull the entire assembly forward, giving you better access. Now, locate the old bulb, twist it counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Take your new bulb, being careful not to touch the glass, and insert it, twisting clockwise until it's firmly in place. Almost done, gently push the headlight assembly back into its housing. Reinstall the three 8mm bolts to secure it. Next, put the headlight bezel back on, fastening it with the two 7mm bolts. Finally, reattach the grille, securing it with the two 10mm bolts and the two plastic clips. Before you hit the road, turn on your Jeep Compass and test your new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.